Welcome to Circuit Sundays.
This is a reflectivity sensor. When a reflective object is placed in the sensor's line of sight, this light glows brighter to signify high reflectivity. But when you put a dark, non-reflective object like this near the sensor, this light only glows dimly. But how does it work? This right here is an infrared LED light emitting diode, which means to the naked eye, to us, we can't see any light emitting from it. However, most cameras can see it. So this emits light in a coded rhythm, and this light sensor here picks up only the light that is in that coded rhythm, so as not to confuse it with other ambient light around. And then that is decoded into a single analog level that ranges from 0 volts, when no reflectivity is sensed, up to the input voltage, which in this case is 3.3 volts, when complete 100% reflectivity is sensed. The most common use for this in robotics is for line-following robots, or as a sort of solid-state switch.
See you next week for more Circuit Sundays.